Using a 19mm socket, let's go ahead and remove our lug nuts. If your vehicle is equipped with a hubcap like ours, go ahead and grab that hubcap or center cap, pop that off, grab the wheel, pull it off, and set it aside. We're going to go ahead and replace our sway bar end link. Ours is actually broken. It's separated from the lower link right here. So we're going to start by using a 14mm wrench and a number 5 Allen wrench. We're going to try and loosen this nut. On the upper portion of the link connected to the sway bar, we're going to try and remove this nut here, right on the back side. We're having some issues because the CV axle is in the way. We're going to try and get our gear wrench on here and loosen this. And it is rusted solid on there. Because of the clearance issue, I can't get too many other tools in there. So we're going to go ahead and cut this off of the sway bar end link. Before we cut this, we're just going to use a pair of pliers. We're going to try and pop off the rest of the end link and leave just the stub there. And there we have it. We'll just cut off the rubber boot so we can see where our cutting wheel is going to have access to. Now that we ground off the front side here, we're just going to go ahead and tap the remainder of the bolt out. So I'm going to go ahead and install our sway bar end link. Get the nut started on the upper one here. Get that on a few threads. And then we can go ahead and position that lower. And let's go ahead and get the nut started on that one. Once that's on, we'll go ahead and snug these down. Using our 15mm socket, I want to go ahead and tighten down this nut right here. Our ball joint on the inside here is spinning, so we're going to use our thin 14mm to hold the nut on the back side. Let's go ahead and tighten up the top. I'm going to go ahead and torque these to 29 foot-pounds. And repeat for the top. Go ahead and install the wheel. Now, if your vehicle is equipped with the hubcap that locks on with the lug nuts, you want to go ahead and locate the notch in the hubcap for your valve stem. Line that up. And we'll get those lug nuts started. I'm going to go ahead and snug down the lug nuts. Let's go ahead and torque our wheel down to 80 foot-pounds.